Hello everyone, it's me, Miss Paula Potter. Okay, so I'm here because as of December 24, 2011, the best thing I never had officially reached 100 alerts, 55 favorites, has 61 reviews, and 15,000 hits. So yay! So happy. It's actually the best Christmas gift I've ever received. As a writer, it means so much to me. So I would like to thank you guys for that. It's all because of you. That's why I'm here. I'm thanking you. For the end of the year, I have this fic. I'm not going to tell you the title, but it's going to be about Hermione. I won't tell you the ship. I'm not going to tell you the ship. That would be giving away too much. Also, subscribe to my YouTube account. I will be more active now. Hopefully. Yes, cross fingers. For next year, I have a few fics up and coming. I'm going to finally continue The Missing Link, but I'm going to derive from the original plot I was supposed to use. For Harmony, hopefully I get to begin with Jaded Emerald 3. I'm not giving away the title yet. You can still suggest me titles because the title I have now is really not so good. So, Jaded Emerald 3. I hope I got started that. Because, frankly, this is so embarrassing because nothing's going on really right now that makes me inspired to continue to write Jaded Emerald 3. Maybe you could tell me your story and maybe I could weave bits of it in to Jaded Emerald Part 3. That would be good. And yeah. Of course, it's my second birthday. My second FFM birthday would be on February 4, 2012. So I have another surprise up my sleeve. It's another first time because it's the first time I did, which was a crossover Twilight Harry Potter. I don't even know why I did it. It was a flop. I forgot what to do with the plot. I had nothing else to write, so I just abandoned it. And sorry for the people who were waiting for that. I'm really sorry. Miyaneyo. So yeah, subscribe. I never thought you could subscribe to Miss Paula Potter on YouTube. Yay! For the Filipino fans, I also have another story. You can catch Miss Paula Potter on Wattpad.com. That's WATTPAD.com. You can search the same username. I have a story up there. It's not a fan fiction. It's an original. Hallelujah! It's an original, and it's called The Torpe Effect. If you're a Filipino, you know what torpe means. Then you go click new tab, you go to Wattpad.com, you go search me, and you go read, you go review, you go comment, you share it with everyone. That will make me really happy. For Harmony fans, if you haven't followed or haven't seen already, you can go to hhrwillruletheworld.tumblr.com. For non-Harry Genie fans, if you have a passionate hate for Harry and for the Harry Genie ship, no offense to those who like it, you can go to wedon'tshipharrygenie.tumblr.com. And you can also follow me on my personal Tumblr blog, which is same as my username, misspaulapotter.tumblr.com. Other than that, for updates, you can go to my Twitter account. That's twitter.com/misspaulapotter, capital MISS, capital POLA, capital POTTER. So that's it, basically. Once again, thank you for the greatest Christmas gift ever. Merry Christmas. Have a very Merry Christmas. Happy Hanukkah. Happy Kwanzaa. Whatever it is you celebrate. If you don't celebrate Christmas, I don't know. So just have a happy Christmas and a very rocking New Year. And from here in the Philippines, it's Christmas Eve. So that's it. Maligayang Pasko at Manigong Bagong Taon. Goodbye!